Are your employees struggling to find and take in the information they need to do their jobs effectively? Hey there, it's Jonathan, the Director of Implementation here at ScreenSteps. And I want you to imagine your employees as being thirsty for information. But you wouldn't hand them a 5-gallon bucket of water to quench their thirst, would you?
Brilliant job, the Seahawks.
That would be overwhelming. Instead, you'd give them one glass at a time, just enough to drink without spilling. The same goes for digital guides. We need to deliver information in clear, manageable portions. So here are 3 tips you can implement to optimize your guides to set employees up for success. First, you want to use clear titles and keywords that match what people are searching for. If they want a guide for customizing a template, but your guide is called Marketing Overview, employees may have trouble realizing the information they need is in that guide. So make sure your titles are straightforward and easily findable. Our next tip is to structure your content in the right way. Break down your information into digestible, scannable chunks. This could look like a how-to guide, a checklist, or a decision tree. And lastly, incorporate visuals. This can be so helpful for those who learn visually or for those who need to quickly scan over a procedure without reading too much. Add images, annotated screenshots, or even videos to your guides. If employees cannot quickly find the instructions they need, then productivity drops and frustration rises. The same applies to tenured employees dealing with updates or new tasks. That's why easy to find and follow guides reduce cognitive load and allow employees to focus on the task at hand. All right, guys, I hope this helps you better understand the importance of transforming your guides. Here at ScreenSteps, we offer authoring tools to quickly create structured guides with clear titles, concise steps, relevant keywords, and so much more. If you're looking to make digital guides more findable, followable, and scannable, check out some of the free resources and templates below. With ScreenSteps, you have the tools to provide that steady flow of information, one glass at a time. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.